everyone, it's me, Castile. Welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. If not, welcome for the very first time to Middle Art Corner here on YouTube. Today we are going to be unboxing the Artsnacks regular box for November 2019. We will just be unboxing the items and looking at what's inside. I will play with what is in there in another video. Let's get into it. They must have ordered a lot of these. The snack again this time is an extra sour crybaby bubblegum. This time I got orange. This is our little menu that lets us know what is inside each month. And it does not look like I got a sticker this month. Oh well. Now to get into the actual art supplies that came in this month's box. They are going super strong with their Liquitex deal. We have some Liquitex Professional Soft Body Acrylic, and this is normally $9.99 retail price. And this is new and improved. Liquitex Professional Soft Body Acrylic has a new look. This artist design bottle features a new shape, a new nozzle, and new functionality. It's stackable and squeezable. It's filled with the same classic formula, so you can expect artist quality pigments, excellent coverage, and a satin. The color I got is, and I'm totally going to butcher this, Valtso Cyanine Blue, and it is the green shade. When you're ready to use it, make sure you take off this safety seal here. You just peel it back. That right there is the nozzle. You'll be able to squeeze it. Be good for abstract stuff. It'll be easy to put a little bit of paint down in a palette if that's how you prefer to paint. Next, we have a Princeton Velvet Touch Series 3950 synthetic brush, and it is a flat shader. And these range between $8.15 and $9.95. Paint in the lap of luxury with the Princeton Velvet Touch brush. Its silky, soft finished wood handle complements the excellent performance of its synthetic fibers. 7 years of research and development went into creating these filaments meant to outperform natural hair. I got a size number 4, and it is a very small brush. It feels nice and soft. We will figure out how it works later. Next video. Next we have a Faber-Castile Echo pigment pen, and this is normally $2.99 retail. Whether you're sketching or writing, you'll reach for the Faber-Castile Echo pigment pen over and over again. This reliable fine liner features a sturdy, metal-clad nib and comfortable grip. Made from unused automobile plastic, this pen is highly recyclable. Its bright, pigmented ink is also light-fast and waterproof. I do like the idea of it being a colored liner. We get a lot of black markers through Artsnacks, and I get even more because I also get Sketchbox. So it's nice to have something that isn't a black liner. And it is 0.7, so it is a pretty nice thickness. I'm sure you can get thin lines and thicker lines pretty easily with that nib. As you can see, I got a blue. So far I've got 2 blue items. Let me know in that comment section down below if you got different colors, because I know the chances are it's quite possible you did. The final item that came is a Zebra metallic brush pen, and this is normally $2.99 retail. This is a staff favorite. Make your artwork shine with the Zebra metallic brush pen. Its shimmering pigment ink is extremely vibrant and works well on both light and dark surfaces. The medium brush tip mimics an artist's brush, so you can make free-flowing brush marks with ease. For optimal performance, store this pen with the cap facing down. As you can see, the color I got in this is green, so these are all the items that came in this month's Artsnacks box for November 2019. I have a dark blue, a light blue, a metallic green, and a brush. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. We will have to find out together in the next video. If you liked this video, please hit that like button. If you have any comments, questions, feelings, or concerns, or you want to let me know how you feel about this month's box, let me know in that comment section down below. If you want to see more videos like this, please feel free to subscribe. I do Artsnacks unboxings once a month. Thank you so much for taking the time out of your busy day or night to watch this video. I really greatly appreciate it. I look forward to hearing from you guys soon, and you'll definitely be hearing from me soon. Bye, everybody!